Now we will see how to play a sound on a buzzer or sound on a speaker of that means in different frequency we are create generating the sounds through this Arduino. Okay, here I have a Arduino and this is a piezoelectric buzzer. So it is something big buzzer. Uh, Even you can get a buzzer. It is a very small, like this much small, but both are same. This has a two legs. This buzzer has two pins. Okay, one is the plus and another one is the ground. And We need to give some power width modulation signals that I will tell what is it and all. That means we need to give some power to this buzzer to this plus terminal and minus is grounded. At that time it will produce the sound. For example, now for just checking purpose whether this buzzer is proper or not, you can check by giving this positive to the plus 5 volt or plus 3.3 volt. I will give it to the plus 5 volt and this another negative to the ground. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, buzzer is proper. Okay, it is producing some sound. Then uh, in Arduino, yeah, we will create some code that will generate different frequency sounds. Okay, so for that I will open the Arduino IDE. Yeah, and in this Arduino IDE, what I will do means initially I'm connecting this. Yeah, I will wait. Yeah, I'll make like this as previous. Yeah, now what I will do means I will connect this buzzer to some of the output pins, that is the digital pins, and to generate the different frequency we need to give the power width modulation signals. Uh, as a beginner, you no need to worry much about what is this PWM and all. I will share you the link what is the meaning of the PWM and how the Arduino produces this PWM, all those things. It is just a theory part, but here let's do some practical steps, then we will see the theory. So for that, here in this Arduino, uh, yeah, I think yeah, it is now visible. You can see in digital pins some of the pins are marked with some S marks, that means small S marks. Pin number 3, pin number 5, pin number 6, 9, 10 and 11. These are called as the power width modulation enabled pins. That means these marked pins have the ability to generate the PWM. That means we can generate different frequency from these pins, that means the S mark pins. So now I will choose pin number 6. You can choose any of the pins in 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so I will choose, that's better. Okay, so I will choose pin number 6. So this plus I will connect to the pin number 6. Okay, then this one negative I will connect it to the ground. Here I have a ground. This is what the hardware connection. Now it will not produce any sound because there is no any output from the pin number 6. Now in the code what I will do means, in white setup I will tell the Arduino that pin number 6 is the output, because we need to provide some power for this buzzer to work. So here pin mode 6 comma output. Okay, then in the loop part what I will do means we need to produce some frequency sound. For example, now I will produce 600 Hertz frequency sound. For that in Arduino IDE there is one function called tone, Tone. Okay, this is a tone function. Tone you need to open the bracket. Here which pin you are toning, that means pin number 6 comma at what frequency. For example, yeah, I am taking 600. Okay, then comma duration, how much time we need to play this 600 frequency of sound. If you want to play infinitely, that means you should not, that means if you don't want to play for 2 seconds or 3 seconds, you have to play forever, then just ignore this parameter, or else just 1000 means 1000 millisecond, we need to give that in millisecond. Okay, duration. Okay, then here just close this. Okay, now I want to play forever. This code will play now on pin number 600 hertz it will play. So for that, yeah, tone 6 comma 600, close this. Okay, now we will compile the code. Yeah, I will save this and I'm compiling it. Yeah, it's done compiling. Now I will upload it. Let's see. Okay, yeah, now you can see it is playing in the 600 hertz. See. Okay, now just for the time being I will remove this. Okay, now what I will do means, instead of 600 I will give 900. Okay, now I will upload the code again. Just see, now it is in a 600. Now I will upload again. Now it has to produce 900 hertz. See now, yeah, see, it's 900 hertz. It's producing different sounds. Okay, now if I put some duration like yeah, 2000. Okay, 2000 milliseconds, then I will upload the code. Let's see what it will happen. Yeah, yeah, here the main thing is that in this parameter, remember, this is not 2000. Here we need to give in seconds, not milliseconds. In delay function we need to give in seconds. Now let's see, if I give the 2, then whether it will give for 200 2 seconds or not. Okay, I will upload the code. Oh, because what is happening here means it is in the wide loop part. That means after the completion of this, it is again repeating. So we are hearing continuous sound. So what we can do means, uh, for differentiating, I think this has to be 2000, means it has to be in millisecond. After that, I will call no tone function. That means just silent. No, Tone. No is small, T is capital, no tone. Okay, I will call no tone function. This will silence us the complete things. Now again, what I will do means I will delay for 2 seconds. Okay, that means 2 second off. Delay 2000. Now let's see what it will happen to our things. I will connect it to the 6. I will up, yeah, something too many few arguments. No tone. Yeah, here we need to define the pin number. Which pin we don't have the tone. So 6. Okay. No tone 6. Let's compile it. No tone 6. Yeah, it's done compiling. Now we will upload. I'm uploading. Yeah, it's uploaded. Oh, we can see something tick tick sounds here. Think this time is very less. We will make this as 6000. No, we'll just remove this. Yeah, we'll make 6000 and let's see. Why it's not producing sound? Let's debug. Wait. So I think this no tone function is interfering something with this delay functions. If we write like this, tone 6 comma 1000 comma 2000 second delay, it will not give proper sound. It's giving something tick 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 tick. See, very small things. So what I will do means, instead of 2000 here, uh, I will delay here, delay 2000, delay 2000, and note on 6 delay 2000. Now what it will do means, it will produce the 1000 hertz frequency on pin number 6 and delay for 2000, and no tone, there is no, that means it stops the sound and again waits for 2000. That means for every 2 seconds we need to get the sound. Okay, let's see whether this code will work or not. If anything not works, don't be panic, just try what issue is there, or what we need to modify in the code to get the output result. So I will upload this code, let's see. Yeah, you can see now it's giving 1000 frequency for every 2 seconds. Yeah, you can see this was the tone function. For the time being I will remove this, and here let's see some of the description about this. It generates a square wave of specified frequency of 50% duty cycle. This is just a theory part, and you just observe this syntax properly. Tone pin frequency, duration. Pin means the Arduino pin on which you need to generate the tone. Frequency means it's in a hertz. Okay, next duration, it is in a millisecond. Yeah, let's read this. And when you use the tone function, it will interfere with the 3 and the 11 pins. Okay, this is a Arduino Uno, our board, so it will interfere something in the 3 and the 11 pins. That means to these pins here, 3 and the 11 pins, this tone function will interfere. That means if we connect anything to those pins, it's not good when we are producing the sound. Okay, now what we will do means, we will play some songs using this Arduino and the buzzer, some songs. For that, just go to Google, CHRO, yeah, because we don't know the frequency of the musical notes, just type sa re ga ma pa frequency. Okay, then here it will give some frequency chart. Yeah, here just 240, 240, 270, 300. What I will do means, now here tone 6 comma, what I will do means 200, 240. Okay, that means so I will delay for 1 second. Okay, so then no tone 6, that means 6 becomes silent. Then here just read this, what is there. If a tone is already playing, no, if the tone is playing on the same pin, the call will set its frequency. That means we can use again, no tone is not required. No tone is not required because we can directly call the next frequency sound, it will overlap on that. Tone 6 comma 240, 1 second I will delay. Then what I will do means, just copy paste this. Okay, next what I will do means, after 240, 270 is there, I will make 270. Okay, that means this is this is array and this is array. Then what we can do means, we'll just copy paste it. Okay, now array after 270 it's 300, and after 300 is 337.5. So here 337.5 and 360, and 400 and 450. Okay, yeah, that's enough for now because we just need to learn this. Go ma pa the. Okay, Saregama pada. Let's upload this code and we will see what it will produce. I will connect this pin to the pin number 6. Okay, I will upload this. It is in a previous code. Something it is giving. What's this? Expected primary expression before slash token means something happened. Tone, yeah, it is proper. We'll put the 2 slash for comment. Slash is used for the comment. Okay, then I think everything is fine. Delay 1000, yeah, these things are fine. Let's compile it. Because I forgot to put double slash. Remember, for commenting, if you put single slash, it will give wrong. Now we will upload it. It has to produce Saregama Pada. Okay. It is repeating because it's in while loop part. See. So by this you can create any music. It's funny, I think. This is what the tone function. Just play with this and now what you have to do means, now instead of making this code very long, we can even use the functions. For that, what I will do means, okay, I will just delete these things. In while loop, just for the time being, just keep this while loop blank, and here I am writing some function. Function means it is a set of codes that we can call from this while loop. If we call that function, it will go to that function and it will execute the lines in that function and it will again come back to the loop. That means we can reduce the lines of codes. Let's see that how we can do the function in Arduino. So for this, what I will do means void, because it is not returning anything, it is just producing the sound. Void, I will give function name as Saregama Padanisa, like that. So void so, okay, here it is empty because I am not producing anything. Void so, and I will open the curly braces, and here I will write my function. My function is, when I call the so function, it has to produce the tone, that means tone pin number 6 comma what is the so notes, so it's like yeah, we will take 240. Okay, so then yeah, here I have that Saregam Padanisa notes. So here 240. Okay, I will just end up this, and here this is one function, and I will write another function void array array. Okay, I will open the curly braces, that is the statements in this function. For array I will call tone. What it has to tone, frequency 6 comma 270. Okay, like this I will call, I will write the function. So yeah, I will copy it and I will make another function go. Okay, go, that is 300. Oh yeah, 300. Okay, now these three are my functions. Now in while loop, what I will do means, I will not again write tone 6 comma 240 and all. I will just write sir, so it will call sir. Okay, when it call the sir, this statements will be executed. Then I want around 1 second delay delay 1000. Okay, then what I need means uh, yeah, here I will add another things, wide uh, nothing. Okay, wide nothing means no tone, wide no tone, no tone is a keyword, so we cannot use that. Wide no means stop, wide stop. Okay, no, stop is also a keyword, so we cannot use that. So uh, wide pause. Okay, I will write this as wide pause, and I will create the function. You can use even no tone, that means no tone, no tone function, or you can simply, because we are the copy and paste person, so we will tone 6 comma, here just make 0 hertz means usually we cannot produce the hertz less than 0, but let's see whether this will stop the sound, or what will happen if we type 00 hertz, because 00 means stop now, but according to the Arduino rules we cannot possible to generate the tones lower than 31 hertz. Let's see whether it will stop, or what will happen. So delay 1000, then I will call pause. Okay, then I will cause the pause, then I will cause the ray, I will call the ray function, then delay 1000, uh, delay 1000, then pause. Okay, after the pause I need to yeah, here only in pause only we will add a delay, that means 1 second it will pause, delay 1000. Okay, so ray, then go we will add. Okay, so ray and go, here delay 1000 and pause. Let's verify this. Yeah, done compiling, and we will upload this. So yeah, I will upload, and here it is the pin number 6. Let's see, it's uploading. Yeah, so no, if you type the 00 frequency, you see it will produce the tuck 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 sounds. So instead of that, this function is working, but what we assumed here is it is wrong. We cannot give it as 00 hertz. Instead of that, what I will do means I will call no tone function. That is best one. So tone no tone for a 1000, no tone, here pin number 6. Okay, now I will upload this code, and we will see. Okay, yeah, now what we will do means, you can see here. Yeah, now what we will do means we will just create some songs by using this, like here I will, instead of go, I will make go, sa go, and again sa I will call. You just copy this, and yeah, this much we will copy, and we'll paste through to 3 times. Sa re go, then no, sa go, sa go, like in uh, something here only we have only 4 tones. You need to create sa re ga ma pa da ni sa, all the tones, that means lower sa and the upper sa. So here sa re go, uh, here what I will do means I will call go, and here I will call sa, and here I will call go. Okay, now we will see what type of tone it will produce. Yeah, just reduce this delay time so that it is nice. I will make 200. Yeah, now see. Yeah, it's like a, you can create your own music by using this tone functions. uh, I think you clear with this connections. It's just a like hardware connection. One is ground and another one is for the pins that you want to produce the tone function. That's it. Thank you.